Hi everyone, welcome to Attorney, and for today's video, we're gonna talk about coffee, the most important thing ever. My obsession with coffee started when I was still in college. We would study in Starbucks with my friends, so it all started there. But little did I know that coffee have these benefits for a brain or for a memory. Well, most of my sort of idol lawyers, Amal Clooney, they've been captured by paparazzis with a coffee on her hand whenever she's out. Well, I assume she's also obsessed with coffee, knowing her degree and all. But also, one of my sort of idol professor, Attorney Marcel Rada, I've seen this on her Instagram. So, what is it really with coffee that most law students and those reviewing for whatever board exam, bar exam, or whatever exam that they will be taking, they're so into coffee? Well, as I dig into the topic, I found out that it really improves our cognitive functions. It also prevents Alzheimer's disease and all. It improves our memory, our mood, and of course, our alertness. When we consume coffee, we tend to be more focused and more alert on what we're doing. Coffee has always been there for me. It's like my study buddy ever since. Now in this video, I will also include in this video how I brew my coffee and the unboxing of my newly moka pat given by my mother from Italy, and also the unboxing of my new brewed coffee. So here it is. I hope you'll enjoy it. again, thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.